Welcome, dear friends. Today we're gonna make falafel, but falafel with my way, the easy way. My recipe have, of course, the base. The base is peeled chickpeas. We put it in the water for one night and we make it the next day. I will take a mixing blender. I will add all my ingredients there, and there in the mixing bowl we'll smash it and we will fry it, and then we will wrap it with tortilla. Let's start step by step. All my ingredients are peeled chickpeas, bell peppers, variety of yellow, red and orange, carob, leeks, mustard, oregano and cumin, and some fresh parsley. And now salt, pepper, olive oil and breadcrumb. We turn on the fire, we're mixing and we fry it. My falafel are golden. I will take a tortilla and I will make my falafel. On the base of tortilla, I will add some yogurt, some nice slice of tomato, some kale. I will break my falafel, some tahini and some carob syrup, salt, and we try. Let's see how it's our falafel